Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add eye-catching dizzy effect to your video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to click on video and then select new, and I'm going to select video from the download folder. For example, I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, and wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas according to the video. I'm going to click on fit. Okay, and let me show you how we can add the eye-catching this effect to this video. If you want to add effect, you can go to the effect menu. Okay, and then select the AI effect to get the eye-catching dizzy effect for your video. And here, you can choose the dizzy category. Okay, and then you'll be able to get some effects for your video, guys. And I'm going to show you one by one. This is for the smoke effect. And you'll be able to change the color of the smoke. I'm gonna go with blue, for example. Okay, and this is the result. And then this is for the liquid. But unfortunately, it's only for the pro user. Okay, let's try the delay effect. Okay, you can customize the value right here. I'm going to make it full. Okay, and this is how the effect looks like. And I'm going to try this wave as well. Okay, customize the value and then circle. Wow, it's cool. Okay, and then the next one is energy. Okay, this is so cool as well. I'm going to change the color to red. Alright, and then I'm going to try this one as well, light, but it's not free. Okay, and then tunnel. Okay, and I'm just going to apply the circle effect. Okay, and don't forget to make the effect align with your video like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add eye-catching dizzy effect to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.